Hello, my wonderful investors. This is another day in Monastery Road. I am on Monastery Road. I am in front of the Diamond Estate. What I want to show you today is inside Diamond Estate, and it's a 4-bedroom duplex, a standalone duplex with a BQ and a study room. It's going for 120 million naira. And if you know this place, this road is the most sought after road when you are talking about Songotedo, because this road we have a lot of things here. Apart from the estates that are here, we have the biggest mall in Lagos here, which we call the Novel Mall. So on this road we have a notable estate like the Heritage Place Estates, and one of these is the Diamond Estate that I will show you today, because this is where raise your family, and this is a place that you can actually live. If you want to buy for investment, it's good, and if you want to buy to live in this place, it is very good. So it's a 4-bedroom, and the rental value here is around 5 million naira. So you can buy and rent it, and it's a finished product. What I'm going to show you this morning, it is a finished product, and that is why when you want to pay, you pay outright. So I'll take you in now to see what you are about to buy. The title is Governor's Consent, and it's cash and carry. All my subscribers, I want you to watch the video to the end to see what this house looks like. Like I said, it's a 4-bedroom duplex with a BQ, and it's a contemporary design. Yes, I know you will love it. I want you to follow me inside the Diamond Estate this morning so that you can see the beauty of this estate. Diamond Estate in rainy season like this is not a flooded estate. So if you are looking for an estate that is not prone to flood, one of the estates is Diamond Estate. So let me show you, so I know you will love what you are going to see. So let's go. So this is Diamond Estate, and I believe that you can see that the estate is good. Yeah, it's a very serene estate, quiet, and I really like this estate. So this estate has a top-notch security. You can not just come into this estate. You need to call someone inside to let you in from the gates. Yes, to call the security. So if you are looking for estates with good security, on this road, the Monastery Road, where we have the biggest mall in Lagos, yes, I will tell you Diamond Estate is #1, and that is why I'm showing you this edifice this morning. Yeah, this is 120 million contemporary 4-bedroom fully detached house with a BQ and a study room. So I will tell you in now to see how this looks like. So let's go. So before I go inside, you can see the compound, and you can see how many cars you can park. I know that you are counting it already. This place can park up to 6 cars conveniently. You can see you can park 3 here, and likewise you can park 3 here. So conveniently you can park 6 cars here, and this is sitting on close to 400 square meters. This is what this is sitting on. So let's go inside. This is our entrance door. So look at it. This is it. This is our entrance door. And here we have like ante room here. You can put a chair there. It depends on you. And if you do not want to put anything there, then it is good. So this is the visitors toilet. So we have the visitors toilet here, and we have it here. And I believe this is spacious too, to make the visitors comfortable. So also here we have the living room. Look at the chandelier. I like this chandelier. And come and see something here. This is a TV console. We've already done this thing for you. And see, you don't need to spend extra money again. And this is spacious enough. The living room is very, very spacious. And to this place, this room is a visitor's room. Come and check it. So this is a visitor's room. You can see how spacious it is. And all room and ensuite. This is the toilet and the bathroom. You see how spacious this one too. And also we have the wardrobe here. And from here I will go to where you can put your dining table here. You can see the chandelier here. Here is where you can put it. And this one, you put your table here. At least this one can sit like 8 people at a time. So this is our kitchen. So look at it. Though we are still going to put cooker here and heat extractor. So you can see how our kitchen looks like. And also we have the pantry here. This is where you can put your fridge, your freezer. You can see we've already put socket there so that you don't need to break anything. Also we have our pantry here where you can store something. So this is an exit door from the kitchen. So come and check it. You can exit here, and this is the BQ. So let me show you before I go upstairs. This is the BQ. So if you have a nanny, your nanny can stay here. Come and see how spacious this is. So you see, this is spacious, and it has its own toilet too. So you have a nanny, you have a driver, anyone you have, they can actually sleep here. So let's go upstairs. You can see the space in between the staircase, that it is very wide. So welcome to the top. Let me show you the primary room. So this is the master bedroom. Yes, this is actually the primary room. See how spacious this is, and it has its own balcony too. So we have the wardrobe here. See the wardrobe full. Let me open it first. So you see, this is the wardrobe. Also, this is it. You can see. And also it has its own balcony. Don't forget we have another one here. So we have all this, and it has its own balcony here. Actually, you can come out here, and maybe you can in the evening to come and get a fresh air. And also we have the toilet and the bathroom. So see the toilet, this is it. You can see the jacuzzi, the shower cubicle, the toilet and the sink. So look at what we have here. So, and also let me show you the other 2 rooms. You know, I've shown you one room downstairs. That is the visitors room. This is the primary room, the master bedroom. And let me show you the second room upstairs, which is the 3rd room. So we have another room here. Check it out. We have the wardrobe. We have the toilet and the bathroom. So all room and ensuite. So you can see how the toilet is. So the shower cubicle, the toilet, and also the water heater. So let me take you to the 3rd room. So this is the 3rd room. So see how spacious the 3rd room is. We have the wardrobe, and also we have the toilet and the bathroom. Exactly what you see there. So the shower cubicle, the toilet, the sink, the water heater. So let me take you to the study room here. So let's go to the study room. So this is the study room here, which leads to the balcony. So if you want to have home office, this is exactly where you can place it. So you can see, and I like the POP here too. So see, the POP is fantastic. Also, so let's this is the balcony. So you can see how this looks like. So see your neighbor now. See your neighbor. So this is it. This is 120 million naira house inside Diamond Estate. Yes, we are looking for Serene Estate. Is Diamond Estate. Yes, this Diamond Estate, I can tell you a lot about this estate. So this is the best time to key into this. Don't wait. Call me right away. My number is showing on the screen. I will be expecting your call. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and you turn on your bell notification. My name is Olashile David from Salesville Properties. What I know best is to help you unlock your real estate dream. Look at this edifice now. If you want to put it out for rentals, you will be renting it 5 to 6 million naira in this estate. So this is the best time to key into this. Share with your friends and family whether you want to do physical inspection or virtual inspection. I am always ready to take you on a tour for you to see this place. This is a good one. This is 120 million naira house inside Diamond Estate in the axis of Shogotedo, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. It's a good neighborhood where you can live, you can stay peacefully. Yes, if you are looking for a peaceful estate, it's Diamond Estate where you can raise your family, your kids. They can play. We have a playing area there that your children can go out in the estate and they can play. It's a very secure estate. My number is showing on the screen. Call me right away. I will be expecting your call. Yes, I will be expecting your call. It's boldly written on your screen. Dial my number now. I will be expecting your call. Thank you for watching and God bless. Bye.